My name is Dr. Aminu Gwadebe. I'm the president of the Association of Bureau de Change Operators of Nigeria. The Association of Bureau de Change Operators of Nigeria is an umbrella body of over 5,000 licensed Bureau de Change by the Central Bank of Nigeria. And as an association, we are a self-regulatory organization. We are regulating our members. We are doing a lot to ensure transparency in the market in terms of internal automation of our processes, in terms of rendition of returns, in terms of suspicious transaction report. We have a portal that we have developed for our members, which is linked to the NIPS portal for validation of BVN number of our clients, and also is linked to the Central Bank of Nigeria for rendering of our returns. It's also linked to the portal of Nigeria Financial Intelligence Unit for the rendition of suspicious transaction returns. For me, this conference have provided a very big solution to some of my problems because we have always seen from the association remittance as the legitimate feature of the Bureau de Change operations. So coming to this conference, meeting with a lot of players, regulators, it has gladdened me and it has given me roadmap of what to go. You see, we are building capacity for Bureau de Change. We are talking about 5,000 members with low capacity. So, and the whole world is digital. Like Mr. Hugo said in most of his analysis speaking, he said it's a tsunami. For me, it's a tsunami coming. The digital companies will now come and take over the business of Bureau de Change. So we have to really wake up to meet up with global standards. So this is giving us an opportunity. Nigeria boasts with about $25 billion, the third in the world, more or less, if we have the real statistics. So, and the Bureau de Change in other countries, like India, like Lebanon, like United Arab Emirates, they are the engine of the remittances. They are the agents of the international money transfer service operators. So why can't the Bureau de Change build their capacity, open up for transparency, our appearances, so as to ensure we benefit from this tsunami, from the innovations, from the automations that is taking place around financial subsector and even the inclusion. We have the largest network in Nigeria. No bank have our network. The association is having about 5,000 members, 5,000 licensed Bureau de Change. So you can see the critical mass of the network we have. The fintech should also use us and ensure that some of these, their innovation, they're talking of bottom of the, what do they call it? The pyramid. We are talking of bottom of the pyramid, but all our innovations are limited to only 21 institutions, or 22 institutions about the bank. You have over 5,000 institutions, licensed, registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, and you are not coming with any innovation to transform them. So there is the need for collaboration, and for us, this is giving us that opportunity to collaborate. Honestly, Hugo is my mentor. I love his experience. I love his transparency. I love his boldness, the way he talks, and his advice. At his age, is a good mentor. That I think he's doing a good job, and I congratulate him. I wish him long life in this job, and he should also consider our association in Africa. We are the largest in the world. We have 5,000 members. It's China that follows us second with 1,500 members. So we have opportunities. We have critical mass for more especially the international money transfer service operators and mobile money service operators. Yes, you see, what I think next time, yes, we bring some of the regulators here, but my problem that I have seen, even the popular, the kitchen name of IMTOs in Nigeria, I did not see any one of them here. Most of the participants are more of foreign base. I'm talking of, say, the Western Union, the MoneyGram, the RIA. We should have expected them to come and share experiences. The ones we have seen here, they are only sharing experiences of Latin America, sharing experiences of rural girl, sharing experience of. So next time I will advise, because these are the key players, more especially in Nigeria. They should be invited, they should come, let us hear from them, because we are looking at partnering with many of them. They are recognized by the regulators, so they should come. Let us hear, we can partner. Let us hear from them. Let us know what do they need, more especially from a Bureau de Change to become their own agent.